Welcome to COLOpeople, your strategic partner for securing solutions for colocation, data center services, connectivity, cloud, or managed hosting.
Tell me something, why is cloud so important today?
It's a great question, and one I hear pretty often. Cloud is not much more than a packaging innovation. It's become the ability to deliver the same services that we've become used to in the IT industry in a much more incremental and discrete fashion. So now as companies adopt more service-oriented models and architectures, they're finding the ability to take down a particular service rather than an entire, say, stack of services to be a much more compelling thing to do. And so cloud is just the next step in the evolution to be able to deliver those services packaged in a discrete manner. And that really plays into the way the market is headed in terms of verticalized and specialized clouds in the areas of healthcare, in the areas of federal government, in the areas of the financial industry. And so our ability to achieve compliance in these areas really points us in the right direction and informs our development of new products.
Got it. So, I think there's a term that's kind of almost overused, and that's the hybrid model or hybridization, but I've been hearing it for a few years now too and seeing it, and there's a lot of marketing. But I think it's important to talk about, because since you guys are such a huge colo provider too, how would a customer use that type of model?
And that's a great question, and that also is one of our differentiators, our ability to be able to deliver a truly hybrid solution. And I echo your point. I think that the term hybrid cloud has been overused. It's become one of the buzzwords in the industry, and that's a hybrid cloud, of course, is the connection of a private cloud to a public cloud. And so we can certainly do that as well, but what we talk about when we talk about a hybrid model is really the pieces of our business model, the 3 C's, if you will, our custom data center capability, our co-location, and our cloud capabilities, using those together. And what we find is the customers who do use more than one piece of the technology or the products that we have available together are much happier, because they have those services in our cloud offering, even if they're a co-location customer. And what that allows them to do ultimately is leverage assets that still have serviceable life on them, expand and scale into the cloud as they grow, or transform their business model over time. And we have seen many of our customers start as a co-location type customer and grow, and as they've evolved into a cloud model.
COLOpeople has you covered. So make COLOpeople part of your IT community. Come visit us at www.colopeople.com.